Okay, yeah.
So we're live. I think we're live on Kit right now. So welcome everybody. Let's show our faces here. This is
Yeah.
me. Hey everyone, this is Tim. That side there is Ankit. So good to have you guys here. And more and more people are joining this webinar. Our email just went out. And yeah, guys, we can't wait to share with you what we have for you today. You've probably already had some emails from us, maybe from affiliates promoting a product that we're going to show you today. I think most of you already heard about the product, RocketVideos, and we're so super excited, guys, to show you what this product is. We're going to do a live demo. You can ask questions in the chat, so Ankit will be here to answer them in the chat. So I can just show you the application, show you how RocketVideos works. And yeah, we're super excited to just show you what you can do with this application. We're also going to show you some live demos from users that are in the system that created the videos. That's the cool thing. You can actually see the videos that have been created by other users. Of course, you can see your own videos in the system. We're going to do just ask you guys what kind of videos you would like to create so you can see what this is all about so that you have a live demo. So let's just dive into it. We're not going to wait. We're trying to make this as short as possible. So we're not going to do a presentation of an hour and then demo the app. We're just going to dive into it. I'm going to go through a few slides and then we just do the live demo. But first of all, let me know if I'm loud and clear, if you can hear my voice. And Ankit, can you say something to everyone at home?
Hey everyone, welcome to the webinar, and we will be doing a quick webinar. Won't take much of your time, but we'll try to explain each and every stuff inside RocketVideos as much as we can within the time frame, and see how amazing the cool tech we have built over the time. We spent like 9 months on this, tested a lot. Tim found a lot of things, enhancement in this we added, and the current users are really happy with this.
Okay, well, awesome. We see already people answering here, so you guys can hear us. I see already questions coming in, Ankit. Maybe you can answer them. Barry, about your question, we're definitely going to cover that subject as well. I'd say let's just dive into it. Ankit, we can put off our cameras and let's just dive into the presentation and into the live demo so that you can see exactly what RocketVideos is. Now, like you see here, turn any idea into viral jaw-dropping AI videos in seconds. And that's basically what our brand new product is, RocketVideos AI. You only need to have an ID. And when you type that ID, you can create a video from that ID. So first, let me introduce you to myself. So this is me. You already saw myself on camera, but yeah, I'm a husband and father. I have a daughter of 14 years old. Her English is way better than my English, and please forgive me. Have a little bit of patience with me if I sometimes have to search for certain words. It's still a struggle for me, honestly, to find the right words to say always. But I'm glad I'm here. Husband and father, top 1% affiliate marketer. I could not have dreamt of that years ago, but I feel blessed that I'm a top 1% affiliate marketer. I review a lot of products, good products, and today we're so happy to launch our own products. And my passion is playing golf. That's what I do in my free time. Just hit that ball and yeah, just enjoy nature and stuff like that. And yeah, beyond that, I love software products. I really, really love software products. I love to play with them. I love to test them, and I love to build them with Ankit. He's actually the product developer who has created RocketVideos. And yeah, I love to help him with that. I'm the bird finder. I come with ideas, and yeah, this is my partner, Ankit. You already saw him on camera, and he's my main partner, and he's a product creator. He's over 10 plus years in business, released lots of successful products like Rocket Clips, FOMO Clips, Restory, Redub, Voice Motions, GPT videos. It's all kind of in the video audio scene, and he has a passion for technology and movies. He's watching movies in his free time. Who doesn't, right? But he has a passion for that. And yeah, he loves creating software products. And that's what we do together. We are so proud to show you RocketVideos today. And yeah, let's move on to the next slide. So we're a perfect match. He's a product developer. He loves software. I love software. I find I find always the bugs that he can fix, and yeah, together we make great software. So we make something special that we can't wait to tell you about. And how amazing would it be if you could tell an AI your simple ID and then get it done for you style video, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or different platforms that you can share them on. And videos that shine, all different types of videos. So if you're wondering what kind of videos can you create with RocketVideos, you can create all different kind of styles. You can create realistic videos, but you can also create cartoon videos or noir videos or different styles of videos that you can create. And basically your imagination, that's the limit with this software. And like I said, in any category, like you're seeing right here on the screen. So at the left side, you see really photo realistic, and then you see like a cartoon, and then you see a commercial style of video, but also the life cycle of the universe, for example. It's a documentary, stuff like that. You can, if you can imagine it, you can just ask RocketVideos to create it, and it will create it for you. So the cool thing is that you can also sell those videos to clients for $500+ with full commercial rights. That's also what we're going to give you with this product. So you can sell them. You have those rights to all the videos that you create. And maybe you're asking, okay, how can I do this? How can I sell this to clients? Well, you can sell this to local businesses. So you can create commercials for them. And the cool thing is, I'm also going to show you that with RocketVideos, you can also upload your own videos. So if you sell to a local business, you want to promote their product, you can also upload their product and showcase that in the video so that you have the real product that you can showcase as well. So you can offer short form video bundles to businesses. You can say, hey, I make an X amount of videos for you every single month, and you can sign a contract and charge an X amount of dollars for that. You can promote affiliate products, create affiliate kind of videos about, make money online, for example. There are a lot of affiliate programs. You can run faceless YouTube channels. These are very hard. I'm going to show you that as well. And what we're going to show you today as well is how you can launch your own video agency. We're going to give away white label rights. So that means that the software that we created, you can sell that as your own software with your own logo on your own domain, as if it is your own software. It's super cool. We're going to show you that. Now, like I said, videos are super hot. Like these are the type of videos that are super hot at this moment. And let's say you wanted to create a YouTube channel where you want to build subscriber base. These are the types of videos that are super hot these days, and that you also can create with RocketVideos. But again, you're not limited to this style. You can create any style of video that you like. And here are some YouTube channels that grew very fast, as you can see. Unfortunately, you cannot see the numbers, but some are in the 100,000, some are in the millions of subscribers. And I wanted to show you live demos on YouTube, but I won't do that because I rather show you today the app so that you can see how the app works and what RocketVideos exactly is. So how to turn a simple ID into a Hollywood style video. How can you do that? And if you had a tool that could do all of this for you, that will be cool, right? And that's what we're going to show you. A tool that writes the scripts, adds voices, adds music, adds effects, adds captions to your videos, all on autopilot. Like you just type something and it creates all of this for you. And that's what we've built into RocketVideos, like having a full production team inside one smart AI tool. And that's why we want to introduce you today to RocketVideos. I'm so proud of this product, and Anke did an amazing job creating this platform. Also, he's a top designer, as you can see here. Only this image alone, I already like this. And that's also how the app is built. It's really slick. You will see that in a few seconds, how cool this app is in the backend. And it's just quality. So let me show you a short teaser video for those that haven't seen it yet, so that you can see in just a very short time what RocketVideos is. So let me play that video and then come back to you. So who liked what he saw? Who liked the short? I call it a teaser video. This is what the teaser video is all about. Who liked what he saw so far? That is the design of the application. That is what Rocket Videos is all about. It's a short teaser video, and in a second we're going to show you live what this product is capable of. The music makes it intense, says Travis. Yes, it makes it intense. That was the meaning. I created this video, and I wanted it to be intense because I love to create intense promos or intense trailer videos. That's what it meant to be, to get people excited for this product, because yeah, we just have the passion for this product ourselves. So that's what we want to bring to you. So create videos that shine, guys. That's what we want to bring to you and what you can create. All it takes to create videos with Rocket Videos is 3 simple steps. So it's the first part is imagine, where you can enter a prompt, enter a story. And then the second thing is it will come with a board, a storyboard, which you can customize with scenes and voices. And then you can export your product, and then you can profit from it. And it's that simple. And Rocket Videos handles everything for you. It writes the script, it creates the voiceovers, it creates the visuals, it creates the automation, it adds the music for you. You can choose from a whole library, and it's going to add the subtitles as well. So the best part, you don't have to be a techie. All you need is an ID, and Rocket Videos does all of the rest for you. So let me show you a few features. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you the features, and once I've done that, we dive into a live demo itself. So I'm going to share my screen right now to show you. Let me see here, share screen, and there we go. So I'm going to explain what you can do with Rocket Video. So plain words to video storyboard. That's the first feature. And I'm going over these because I don't want to forget anything to mention in this webinar. So this is the first thing. And you just type your ID. So in this case, you see here a spy movie based in Paris. So it creates a storyboard for you when you type a spy movie in Paris. So that's what's happening. That's the storyboard that's being created. And then we have character design. Now, this is a very cool feature inside of Rocket Videos that not many other apps have. And that is characters. You can create your own character inside of Rocket Videos. So you can say he needs to have red glasses. She needs to have a hat. Whatever you like to have, it's in this product. And then it comes with character consistency. So when you create a video, look at this. This is created in Rocket Videos. You see one character stays the same in all your video. So if you create a video with a character, it stays the same. And that makes it so powerful because there are other software out there and the character changes all the time. So that's what we built, that it is consistent. I'm going to show you how to do that. And also what we have is an animation sequence generator. So basically you get a whole sequence of all of your videos and images that are stitched together. And you can decide if you want to have an image-based video or a video-based video. And we have an image generator. So you simply type what you want to have, a woman in a red cloak, and look at this. You got the image there, and the image quality is super good. And then also we have a shot angle editor. So that means that you can choose the different styles. So you could say, for example, I want to have a medium shot, or maybe you want to have a wide shot or a bird's eye view. And then it will create the scene for you how you would like to have it. You can literally choose between these options here. And also, this is a very powerful feature inside of Rocket Videos. This is the video motion engine. So what you're seeing here, this was first an image, and then we said generate a video from an image, and that's what's happening here. This is a video generated from an image, and that is how we work. First, we create an image storyboard, and then we create videos from those images. And we have an object removal tool inside of the tool itself. So let's say you created an image and you have that yellow duck here. You can remove that. Simply draw it and say remove, and it will be removed for you. Also, we have object finder replace. So you can say, hey, a round cap, replace that for a cowboy hat, and boom, the cowboy hat will be on her hat instead of the round cap. And also we have AI generated fill. So let's say we have this cute little dog. We say, put their something on his hat, a birthday hat, and look at this, boom, he has a birthday hat on his hat. And yeah, it's that easy. So like I said, your imagination is the limitation of this software. So we have various type of videos that you can create. So you could create promo videos. We have a Batman video here created with RocketVideos. You could do stories, you could do pitches, tutorials, realty, explainer videos, whatever you would like to create, you can do that. And we also have a huge library music that you can use as background music. You can even upload your own music as well. And also visual presets. Like I said, you can choose what kind of videos you want to create. For example, if you want to do cinematic, you can do that, but also photography, or maybe you want to create a cartoon video. We have those styles for you. And here you can see this is an image to video again. Look how beautiful this looks like. You can render that from your photos. We have surround control for the location. So let's say you have an image and you want to change that. You want to change this to neon signs and passing cars. Look at this. The image changes on the fly and your story changes on the fly as well. And also we have voiceovers for the software. So you can add a narrator, but you can also add voices of the characters in your story as well. And this is also a very cool feature. This is subtitles. We provide you with 5 different subtitle styles, which you can also modify. And we even have more styles that we're going to offer you today as well. It's being added automatically. You don't have to render anything. It's automatically there. Super powerful and super nice. And cinematic transition presets. So you could say for each slide, I want to have a skill review, or I want to slide left, blur, fade, or a glow, zoom blur. You choose the effect and it will be added to your transitions. You can apply them to all slides at the same time as well. So I'm going to show you a 1:30 demo, and then we dive into a live demo so that I don't forget anything. So let me switch here. Let me put that video on. And once the video is done, we dive into a live demo. And maybe you can already show in the chat what kind of video you would like me to create. And then we're going to do that live during this presentation. Let me show you a quick demo of the software. It's only, I think, 2 minutes, maybe less, so you can see what the software is and what it's capable of. So there we go. It's Tim here, and check this out. RocketVideos, where you can create full-blown videos by typing a prompt, selecting the type of video that you'd like to have. And once you've done that, check this out. It will create an outline for you. It will show you the characters. You can change the outline. And once you're satisfied, you simply continue to the next screen where you have a storyboard where you can modify everything. You can add voices to it. But even better, look at this. When you have an image and you want to re-render it, simply change the prompt and it will create another image for you. Want to change things on the image or remove objects? Simply open the editor where you can remove objects. Or maybe you want to add an object to a specific scene. But here's the coolest part. Check this out. When you have an image, you simply click on generate video and it will generate a video from the image, making your videos come to life. And once you're satisfied, once you've chosen one of the hundreds of voices that we have for you, once everything is ready, check this out. Here you will have the option to add captions to your videos. You can choose the format of video that you want to use. You can add sound effects, video effects, and more, all in this editor. And that's just a short overview of what RocketVideos is capable of. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? And that's what we're going to share. Let me dive into the software. Let me actually share my screen and switch to, let me see here, where can I show RocketVideos? I think there we are. Yes, you should be able to see my screen right now. And we're going to create a video live in front of your eyes with RocketVideos. Just go quick over one video or a few videos so that you get the idea how it works. But basically, let me first show you a few examples of users that have created videos with the application. So you can see here, this is my dashboard. And the cool thing is on the dashboard, you can see videos that other users have created when they have set their videos to public. So let me just show you a few examples. I have no idea what they are. So some will be good because they've put time in it, and some will be maybe less good. But let's see a few examples here. Let's see what this
Our
one
planet
is.
Earth floats quietly in the cosmos. What if our planet is at risk? Meet asteroid 2012 DA14, racing along its orbital path. Its close approach reminds us of cosmic challenges.
Okay, I'm not going to play the whole video, but I think you get the idea, right? This is one of the examples of videos that have been created by users. Let me see, what do we have more here? So let's see, what is this?
Welcome to the dynamic heart of Bangalore. Step into innovative workspaces where ideas thrive. Discover a vibrant hub of collaboration. Every detail is designed for creativity. Flexible spaces adapt to your work style. High-tech amenities.
So you get the idea, right? Like, this is more kind of a commercial video that you're seeing right here. And let me see if I can find another one that I thought which was really good. I think it's this one. It's like a noir. Look at this.
May 1918, New Orleans. He slipped through the kitchen door, left 2 butchered bodies behind. He didn't rob them, didn't leave a print, just took his axe and disappeared. Same MO every time.
So do you see that? That's a cool story that has been created by a user. And we have different voiceovers and different stuff that you can add. Here's a totally different one.
Wir bei der La Pinzeria Ludwigsburg lieben Pinsa Romano aus voller Leidenschaft. Der Teig lebt genauso wie ich.
So that's a German video, right? Here's another one.
Ancient Egypt sleeps under a blanket of stars. Mystical sands guard timeless secrets. An otherworldly visitor emerges from the cosmos. The heavens whisper secrets untold.
So I can tell you it's very addictive to go to this home screen and to just watch videos that other users have created. I really love to go over them and to just watch them. But yeah, I hope that this gives you a good idea of the possibilities, what is possible with this app.
Bienvenidos a una oportunidad única. Soy tu mentor en el camino al éxito. Comienza tu...
You can see all different kind of languages are possible within the application. We have different voices in different languages. Here, I think this is a Bible story or not. It's without music. Well, you get the idea. I think I gave an overview of what users are creating with the software, and it's super cool. And we're gonna create one ourselves now. So it works by creating an AI video here. We click on create video, and this brings you to the screen where you can add your ID. So we had one here. So vacation destination. So let's say top 5 vacation destinations here. And what you can do here is you can choose the language here, like you saw in different languages as well. You can choose them here from these languages, and you can choose the voices later on as well. But this is how the script is being written. And then we can choose the kind of story that we want to create. You want to create a story or an explainer video or a pitch or a realty, a promo tutorial. So let's say we want to do some kind of a promo or a pitch. Let's do a promo. Let's see what it creates out of the top 5 vacation locations. And then here on the right side, you can choose the kind of story that you would like to create or video. So in this case, I'd say we go with photography here because we want to have it realistic. Now, we do not want to have characters here, so you can select this if you want to have characters, yes or no. In this case, we do not like to have characters. So we click on generate, and then the script will be generated for you. Now, if you already have a script, you can also put your script in here, and then it will recreate a similar script for you. And if you're not satisfied, you can change everything. So basically what it creates here is an outline of the video for you. So what you're seeing here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different scenes that it's going to create, but you can modify this. And actually, I should have done an example with characters, because here you're also able to add characters, but we're going to do that in the next video. I'm just going to do a few quick examples for you. You can say here, for example, at the left side, I do not want to have on-screen dialogues here. You can add extra instructions in here, but for the sake of the speed, let's click save and click next. And what it's going to do now is it's going to create a storyboard for you of your story. And on the storyboard, you can decide the voices that you would like to add. You can change the order of the storyboard, etc. So now it's just generating the story for you. And this takes a few seconds for it to create. And then it goes to the next screen where it's creating the stories for you. And this, again, takes a couple of seconds. So I hope that this not goes wrong during a live presentation. That would be really sad. But it's taking longer than normally. Yeah, there it is. So here you can see this is the storyboard, and look at this. So what you're basically seeing here is it going over the different cities here. So it starts with Paris, like you can see here. And it starts with the narrator here at the bottom, and it says, discover the world's wonders. And then the second screen is top 5 vacation destinations. Get ready for an adventure. So what you're seeing here, you see narrator, right? This is what the narrator will tell you during these videos here. And then it starts here with the tropical bliss, navigate your dream escape here. And then it says here, dive into rich culture. So probably I should have given a little bit more instructions that I really wanted to hear places. But you get the idea of the story, and you can change everything inside of the story here. You could really do places like Paris or Spain or wherever you want to go, and then generate those images. And another thing which is really cool inside of this application is it adds a button here which says generate video. So basically your video is image-based first. And you can decide to go this way and to just use images and then add the effects to it, like the zoom in and the other effects in the slides, during the slides. Or what you can do here is you can click on generate video. And what that will do is it will create a video from this specific image. And you can do that for all of them. So for example, if you want to have this to become a video, this beach here, you can say exactly the same. You can say generating, and then it's going to generate a video for you from this image. So you also see that in some of the example videos that I showed you, that you saw image videos and video-based videos. So here this one is ready. Let me show you. Now you can see this image has now become a real video, and it's zooming. It's basically flying over the beach here. And let me show you the other one here where it was at the bottom here. So let's see what it created of this one. You see it's flying to this part of the island here. So once you're ready here, you first choose your voice. So at the right side here, you can see the character's voice. And normally when you have characters, you will see the characters here as well. But when you click on this pencil here, you can change the speaker here. So from here, we have all the different voices. So let me show you a few, and you can also favorite them. That's what I've done. So here are some of my favorite voices, and let me show them to you. Let me hear them to you.
The Matrix series is a classic sci-fi action franchise that explores the themes of reality.
So that's one voice.
Feel the zest of the tropics. Mix pineapple juice, coconut water, a dash of turmeric.
That's a very good one for a commercial, right?
If you can't find the information, you may want to consider contacting your state's insurance.
I like this one really for cartoon videos. Let's see this one.
Cloth masks are most effective at filtering out larger droplets.
But can you hear
masks are most effective at...
Can you hear the quality of the voices? This David Mills is a very good one.
The mountaintop was Paul's escape. The city a distant memory below. Are you listening?
So let's say you want to use this voice, then you simply select it. And again, when I deselect the favorites, look at all these voices. These are all the available voices that we have in here. And you can select also by different languages here. So we have these languages are available. You could also hear that in the examples, but we go with the favorite ones here. And also what we have, by the way, is 11 Labs integration. Look at this. So you could connect your 11 Labs account, and then you could use your voice. So when I deselect my favorite ones, these are my voices that are in 11 Labs. I've connected my 11 Labs account, and I can use my own voice here in RocketVideos for my videos. It's super cool. We also have OpenAI integration, so you can connect your OpenAI account where you have OpenAI voices. Unfortunately, I don't think I can show them to you now, but they're really, really good. Maybe I can show them later if I can find the page. But yeah, let's just go with the voice. Let's select a voice here. This Dave is one, and select a voice. And then what you do is you click on generate voiceover, and now it will generate the voiceover for you for your video. And this goes really quick, as you can see. It's almost done. And once it's done, we save our project and we go to the timeline editor. So this is done. We can listen to the voices here. So you can go over each scene when I play it here.
Discover the world's wonders.
And we go to the next one.
Top 5 vacation destinations. Get ready for an adventure.
So that's cool. And you can also make changes. So let's say you want to change this here. You can click this pencil here, get ready for an adventure. And then here we go. If you want to have that, you simply do that. You click on save and regenerate, and it generated a new voice. Listen.
Get ready for an adventure. Here we go.
You see? So you can change that if you like to. And I can show you more in the editor, but maybe we'll do that later for people that like to see more. But first, we want to make it short for people that want to get their hands on this software. We want to give you the availability. So first we go over this, and then we do another demo after. But when we click next, look at this. It's going to add everything for you in a timeline. Where there at the left side here, we also have music available. So right now the music is there. And when we play here, and there's so many music that you can add. You can search for music here in this search box here. You can also upload your own music. In this case, I'm not going to do music at all, just for demo purposes and to not make this webinar too loud. So you can delete the music track here, but we also have audio track. But first, let me play the video.
Discover the world's wonders. Top 5 vacation destinations.
So now you can see this is still images, but what you can do is you can add effects here, like transitions to your slides here. So you could do, for example, you could do a zoom blur here. So that makes it really dynamic. And you can also say, I want to have a zoom blur and I want to apply this to all of the video effects. So I do apply all, and now I'm able, I hope that I can zoom out here, because right now I'm zoomed in. Okay, I need to reload my screen because I double click my mouse and I'm zoomed in. Yeah, now I'm back. So let me redo that. I think zoom blur here. I want to add that to all because I was zoomed in. I could not see this pop up. Apply to all slides. And now when I play the video, look at this.
Discover the world's wonders. Top 5 vacation destinations.
And when we scroll here, now you can see the next one here. This was the video.
Experience tropical bliss.
So depending if you create videos from the images, it will show it to you. Like here at the end, you can also see the island here.
Come in your dream vacation spot.
So you can see here, we have the captions on top of the videos. So you can change those subtitles as well here. So you can have different styles that you can choose from. Look at this. You simply click on this. And this comes with so many variations, what we're giving you access to today. Look at this. We have all these templates. We have pro templates. But the cool thing is you can also customize your subtitles. You can do so many things with these subtitles. For example, here, let me see where it is. You can do 2 in a row, for example. You could do 3 in a row if you like to, or 1 in a row. You can change the position here. You can do this to the top here. You can rotate it. You can scale it. You can say, I want to have a background, for example, for my subtitles here. And you could let them pop out. You can say active words like this, and you want to have an active word background color. You can do that here. It's crazy what you can do, all different kind of things. And then you can
follow for more inspiration.
You see that? And this is just really quick. Let me start the video again here.
Discover the world's wonders.
You see that?
Top 5.
And in this case, I wouldn't do the background color. So you can delete that and it will be like this. And you can move this to the bottom again. But you can see the idea. You can basically create unlimited caption styles to your videos. Super cool. And yeah, you got access to that. Another thing that you can do here is, like, we have also the option here to create square videos for Instagram. You can do portrait videos. And then when you select your video, you can also position them. So let's say you want to have this or you want to have that part of the video. You can position that as well. So you can make it fit for any platform available. And another cool thing, what we also have, and in this case, we do not really need sound effects, but there's also a sound effects option here. When you select that, you have a whole library of sound effects. So let's say you do a cartoon style of video and you have a lion in your cartoon. You can search for a lion and then it will roar here, for example. Let's do that lion just to show you how big this database is. You see that? And then you can simply click on plus and it will add it here at the bottom to your timeline, and you can create those beautiful videos. And then when you're ready, when you have added your music, when you have added your subtitles, when you've added your media, and this is another thing that I said at the beginning of this video. So let's say you have a commercial style of video, and let's say in this scene here, you want to show your product. What you can do is you can select this scene and you can go to upload media, where you can upload media from your own computer, so you can add that into the video editor as well, so that you can play with it. And that's the cool thing. You're not limited to RocketVideos, because RocketVideos allows you to import your own videos, import your own images into the timeline, but also into the storyboard as well, which I can show you later as well. But let's say you're satisfied with your story, you click on save, and then you can click on export, and your video will be rendered. And once it's ready, it will be here. You can see right now it's rendering here. It's saying that, but once it's ready, you can download it. And here you can see, for example, this was already published. So you can download this to your computer here. And we have also some other options here. So when I click this menu here, you can edit the video again, you can edit the storyboard, you can download it, but you can also post this to social media. So here you can see my Facebook channels or my Facebook pages. I can simply select them. I can add my text here and I can directly publish them to my Facebook. I can also schedule my posts to my Facebook. And in the integrations part here, you can see, no, it's not integrations. I think it's in post here. Now, here you will find the post overview of the posts that are scheduled. In the connect part, you can connect your Facebook and you can connect your Instagram as well to post to these or to schedule to these platforms. Now, here is the overview of all the videos that I created. And look at this, how beautiful this is created by Ankit. I really love this design. And check this out. What we also give you is posters. View poster. It creates a poster for every video that you create. So here we have the leadership test of the king, and it creates a poster here for this one as well. Look at this. And we're going to add another engine, which is even better with text. Sometimes it misspells, but we're adding another engine. I discussed it with Ankit. We're going to add that one soon. But I really love those posters here. Oh, this one's not available. Let's see this one. Look at this, Darius' adventure on his motorcycle. Super cool, that you can use to share and promote your videos on social media. Just post that and redirect them to your social media channels. So that's all in here. You can toggle visibility if you do not want these videos to be public, so that not everyone can see them, so that they're not on the home screen here. But this is basically what you can do with RocketVideos. And I think it's an amazing product, as you can see here. Here's another video created by another user. Look at how fun this is. This is just a cartoon stylish video. And you can do all different kind of styles with the product. Now let me show you what we're offering you today, and I'm going to explain everything. I'm going to answer every question that you have today. But let's go over this. And actually, give me 1 second, and let me go back here to my presentation. I think it's here. Hold on, slides. Yeah, so we have this, and let me find what I wanted to show to you. Yeah, I need to switch back here to my screen again. I think you can see it on. I need to share another tab. There we go. There we go. All right. So what we have for you today is the whole RocketVideos platform, like you just saw. You're going to get today, if you purchase it through this webinar, we're going to give you an offer that is only available during this webinar. We really appreciate that you visited this webinar. So this is an offer that we're going to offer to you as the best available deal, which is not being offered by any affiliate. This is only a webinar only offer. And what we're going to give you is the front-end product, but also what we're going to give you is the RocketVideos Elite. Now, the RocketVideos Elite will give you unlimited video projects. So you can create, the front-end comes with a max of 100 projects that you can create. With this one, you can create unlimited video projects. Now, I have to say up front, we work with credits. So it doesn't mean you can create unlimited videos in unlimited and unlimited. You need to, you get a certain amount of credits. You get a lot of credits today. You can create a lot of videos, but it's a credit-based system, but you're not limited in your projects. This upgrade will also allow you to directly post to Instagram and to Facebook. It allows you to schedule. It allows you to create longer scripts. The front end is limited to 5 minutes. Today, if you take this offer, you will be able to create 10 minutes, and we even have an offer to upgrade that to 50 minutes videos. You can create unlimited storyboards. So these are the storyboards that you can create. You can click on the plus button where you can create extra storyboards in an existing story as well. We give you unlimited video render, so the export of the videos will not cost any credits. That's just included. An extended 10-minute video length. And you also get a rendering speed as well with this upgrade. Now, we're also going to give you RocketVideos Pro, the Pro version of RocketVideos. And this will give you the video thumbnails that you just saw, like these thumbnails that I just showed you. That's included. You can connect your OpenAI voiceover technology, so you can link your existing OpenAI key so that you also have the option to listen to those voices, and they are really good as well, not expensive. You just connect your account, you can use them. Plus, you also have emotion and context-aware voiceovers when you connect that. Super cool. Also, like I showed you, 11 Labs. If you know what 11 Labs is, you will be very happy that you get this integration as well, because 11 Labs allows you to clone your voices and use those voices, but not only your own voice, all the available voices on 11 Labs, which are a huge database, which are voices that you hear on TikTok, on YouTube, etc. You can connect that and use them. Hollywood class pro voice actors. You also get access to the best stock footage. So this is something that I haven't showed you, but when you go to a project, and let me quickly show you that. So let's say you have a timeline here and you go to your storyboard. What you have the option to is when you click on added media here and you want to replace this, you can actually go to an unlimited stock library here. So you could say, for example, you want to have another image of Paris, for example. You search the library and you can say, for example, I want to use this image, and you can set this to default. You can say, okay, I'm going to add this to my assets. And now this image has become part of your storyboard. And you can generate a video from this image as well. You can simply click generate video, and now it's going to generate an image, a video from that specific image. So that is included as well. And I think I showed you, I didn't show you it because I was in a different tab. I'm sorry about that. But basically, you can import any image from a huge database. So that's huge as well. I can show you that later. Sorry, I needed to switch my tab in order to show you that. You get an unlimited stock library. You get an object removal tool, so you can basically remove objects like I showed you at the beginning of this video. You get an object replacement tool, so you could basically say, hey, replace this chair for a hammock, and it will do that for you. That's all part of this upgrade. You get pro caption templates that we're going to give to you. Also, you get pro music and sounds. You're going to get pro transitions and styles, plus 5 additional team seats as well, which means that you can invite other team members to work on your projects. That's included as well. Then we got Rocket Studio, and Rocket Studio is a separate module inside of RocketVideos. And this allows you to just do only a few things. You can upload or generate a picture, and then you can generate a video from it like you're seeing right here. You get AI consistent face generator. So you can upload your own photos, for example, and it's generating the same kind of images from that uploaded photo. So this is really a studio. This is different than anything that I just showed you. Here you can see we've uploaded 4 pictures here, and it creates consistent characters of this image. And also image to image generator that you're seeing right here. It also includes an image upscaler. So let's say the quality is bad and now the quality is good. So if you have bad quality pictures, you can upscale and improve them inside of Rocket Studio. Another thing is you have access to AI image background remover. So it will remove the background of your images, and also AI text-based image editor. So you can literally type anything and it will become here with your commands. That's an upgrade that you're going to get. Also, Rocket Videos Rocket Voices, which is a separate module as well, where you can basically clone your own voice. So you upload a 30-second part of your voice, or you simply click on record and it will record your voice and it will create a clone. You can insert a script and it will deliver a voiceover for you from your voice, or you can choose from a huge library of voices where you can also have text to speech as well in different languages, like you're seeing right here: English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Polish, Turkish, Russian, Dutch, Czech. Clone with 15-second sample. That one is also included. Like transfers, accents, tones, nuances, it's all included here. Lossless file formats, and also high resolution output. So the quality is really good of those voiceovers. And then this is maybe the most exciting update because what we're giving here is white label access to Rocket Videos. Now, this is huge. What this means is you're going to get here 25 white label licenses. That means that you can take our product, Rocket Videos, and you can rename it to your own software. You can put your own logo on it, and you can render, or you could run this on your own domain. So let's say you have whatever name you have, Nova Videos, your product is Nova Videos, novavideos.com. You can run it on your own domain, and we're going to give you 25 reseller white label businesses licenses, which means you have your very own software business. You don't have to spend 8 months developing. I mean, there has been thousands of hours of programming of Ankit into this product. It's huge. We're going to give this to you, 25 licenses that you can sell to other businesses. And it comes with a 30-day back guarantee. Now, maybe you're wondering, what is the price? And let me see if I can go back to the presentation here to show you that, because what we're going to do here, let me see here, presentation slides, the navigator here. Let me see what I can go here. So let me quickly go over them. Oh yeah, the image generations. That's something that we have a lot of questions that I promised you to cover in this webinar as well. So how does it work? It comes with a certain amount of credits. So with the bundle deal, you're going to get 30,000 credits, and we're going to give you an option to get more credits. But basically, each image generation will cost you 5 credits. If you only make videos of images, that's what you pay, or what you have in your credits. If you like to create a video from an image, that will cost you 100 credits. And if you want to do in-paint generation, like you want to remove the duck, or you want to add a cap on someone's hat, that's going to cost you 10 credits. So what does that mean when you have the bundle deal that we're offering today? You get 30,000 credits with the bundle deal. So that means that you can create 6,000 images for your videos, or 300 image to video. If you want to render them all, you can do that. Or you could do 3,000 paints in paints with the bundle. And that is a lot, guys. You can do a lot with that. And let me switch screen again. Let me actually share my screen again here. There we go. So what we have here is the bundle deal here. So when we scroll down here, the price that we're going to give you here. So basically what you're getting is you're going to get the commercial version. You're going to get the elite version that I showed. You're going to get the pro version. You're going to get the Rocket Studio. You're going to get the Rocket Voices to clone your voice. You're going to get the white label version. And all of that, we're offering this for $297. Now there is a coupon. Don't check out yet, because you're going to get a better deal. What we're going to do here is when you click this buy button, so let me actually click this buy button, and I need to switch tabs in order to show this. So let me switch to the screen as well, to the checkout. Now you can see the checkout, right? It's charging $297. We're going to give you a coupon, which is called Rocket VIP. So when you type that in here, Rocket VIP, here's the coupon part. When you click apply here, it's going to lower the price to $247. Do you see that? You only pay today $247 for everything that I just shared you. And you're going to get the 30,000 credits to use. You're going to get 25 reseller licenses plus all the upgrades. Now, we want to make this offer even better to you because you can select something here. When we zoom in here, look at this. You can also add the bundle deal here. So when you select, yes, I want to have the bundle deal, this is what you will have. Sorry, I'm switching tabs. Yeah, this is what you will get. So when you select the extra option, this is a $127. You get 10 team seats. So you can add 10 team members. But what you're also going to get is 50 extra agency seats. This is the white label seats. So in total, you will be getting 75 white label reseller licenses. So these 50 only cost you $127. That's like $2.50 for a single license that you're going to get access to. And that's huge. I mean, you can sell them for 10, 20 times more than $2.50, right? You're going to get 50x. So you're going to get 75 reseller licenses that you can brand on your own domain with your own logo as your own product. Plus, we're going to give you 30,000 extra credits that you can use to create videos. So you're going to get 60,000 credits. And you're also going to get 15 minutes video extension, which makes your videos 15 minutes in total. Plus, you're going to get unlimited stock media access as well, plus commercial license for all videos and media assets. Now, we have one more thing. If you like to sell your own products, we also have RocketVideos AI Rocket Player. So Rocket Player will save you a huge amount on your Vimeo bill or your customer's Vimeo bill, because this is a reseller product. When you select this box, you only pay here $9.95 per month. This is a monthly subscription. It's only $9, right, guys? And you're going to get 50 reseller licenses where you can sell Rocket Player for the price you'd like to sell this. I mean, you only have to sell this to one person for $9 per month, and you already have your money back. To me, this is a no-brainer. And what Rocket Player is doing is you can grab any YouTube video, and maybe Ankit can show you later, but we're going quickly over this for people that like to purchase and like to play with the app. But basically what you can do is you can take any YouTube video, put that URL in Rocket Player, and you will not see any branding of YouTube. You can change the play button. You can change the colors of the player. You can let it autoplay in the background, like click here to play, so it plays on the background. That will do all of that for you. You have 5 team members, sub-user seats included. You can sell this to other businesses, only $9.95 per month. And if you select those, that is what we have for you. So normally, you're not going to get this deal because we have this special coupon for you, Rocket VIP, so that you get the best available price. This will get $50 off. Everyone else got $40 off. You're going to get $50 off because we appreciate it that you're on the webinar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the option to get this product. So I'm going to show this in the chat. And let me see where this is full screen, pin offer to the top. And let me see here. I think you should be able to see it right now. And let's also add this in the chat. Let me also give you the link where you can purchase this. So I think it should be here. And then use coupon Rocket VIP. So we're also going to send this in the chat as well. So that is the URL. This is where you can get your access to Rocket Videos, to the full bundle, to all the upgrades. Everything that you need, you're going to get access to here. And yeah, this is a killer deal, guys. I mean, this is a super cheap price. And yeah, we're actually crazy that we're offering it for this price, especially the reseller option, because that is huge. Let me switch back my screen here. And let me go back to Rocket Videos. and show you some more. But yeah, if you'd like to get access, guys, go to the URL rocketclips.pro/bundle and use the coupon RocketVIP to get this amazing deal. Where you can create these beautiful videos, as you can see. Now, like I said, when you're in a timeline here, you can also edit your media. So let's say here on the beach, let's edit this media. We want to, and by the way, all of your media is being stored. So this is the video. Remember the video that we rendered from this image, but we can also go back to the original image, and there we can use generative fill. Now, for example, here, we can say we want to have something on the beach here. So we can do in paint here, and you could make your brush bigger here. So let's say we want to have something on the beach here. So we want to have, maybe we want to have a duck. Can we add a duck? Let's see if there's a duck, a duck. Let's see what it does if I do this. It should be adding a duck on the beach as well. So that's the generative fill part, which allows you to add elements to your media here. And this is processing right now. And there you go. You have a duck on the beach. Do you see that? So you simply paint where you would like to have things on your videos, on your images, and it will add that automatically. Now, the same thing is for deletion. So when you go to generative fill, you can also say, I want to erase parts. So let's say you had an image with this duck, or sometimes AI fills to generate a good image. You have let's say you have an extra finger. You can simply select that, and you could say, okay, you simply click this, and you say here, erase, generate, and it will erase that duck from the beach. And this works with every image. And this is the generative fill. You could also do the replace part. So you see the duck is gone. You could also replace. So let's see if we can find something else here. A good example. Maybe let's do this one. Let's say add a media. Let's see if I'm correct here. I don't know if this is a lion or something else, but let's say replace the lion for a bear. Let's see if this works. Maybe this is not the best example, but let's see if it replaces that on this image. And it's processing the image. You see that the software is really advanced. You can do you see that? Boom. So first it was this. You said, no, I don't want to have a lion there. I want to have a cool bear there. And you see it's the image stays intact here, and it replaces the image. You can say, okay, I want to use this. And now you got the bear in your video here. And you can generate a video of that bear, for example. So that's so super cool. Now, let me quickly generate another video for you. Let's say we want to create an AI story. Let's say we want to do a boy and his girlfriend found a treasure in Egypt. And now we want to include characters. We say we want to have a cartoon style video, and you simply click on generate. And of course, I should give a little bit more instructions here, what kind of story, where I want it to go, etc. But just to show you the storyboard that's being created for this video, so you can see what it is. Okay, we have questions as well. Let's go over some as well, because Mike is going to ask, how do we keep characters consistent? And that's a very good question. So Mike, here you can see these are characters that have been generated automatically by RocketVideos. Now, if you want to change the character, you simply click on this pencil here, and you can change this. So, for example, his appearance here now is short hair and an energetic look. I can say, and black glasses, because I want this boy to have glasses. I can click on save and regenerate, and it will generate a new character for me. And look at this, boom, there we got our new character here with black glasses, right? So these are the characters. And once we're happy with the story, we can say, okay, we save this, we go to the next one, and now it's going to generate a storyboard for us. And the cool thing is, Mike, it automatically creates those consistent characters throughout the story. You will notice that in a few seconds when the storyboard is ready, you can see that the characters will stay all the same. And the cool thing is when you generate new images, it will generate the exact same character. When you define that, you actually have the option to say, I want to create Alex, or maybe you want to create Mia. You can say that. You simply select Mia, and it's creating that. Now on this screen, while we're still here, when it's generating, oh, it's already done. So here you can see, now it's generating the story. You see the Egypt, you see here, and there you see that? There are the characters. There we got the boy. There we got the treasure here. And there we got the other character here. Do you see that? It's keeping character consistency. Now, let's say you want to create a new scene here where you have those characters. You can click on this plus button here, and here you can type your prompt. So you could say, for example, when you type the ad, it says use the ad to mention a character. You can say, I want to type an ad. I want to generate Alex here in this scene. You could say Alex is climbing a pyramid. And then you can say, okay, 3D style cartoon. You can choose here. So this is what I haven't showed you yet. This is the type of shot that you can choose. So you can say bird eye view, close up, extreme close up, medium shot, wide shot, whatever you prefer. And then the location here, this is what we showed you as well. So you could say this is in bright daylight, or you could say this is in at night here, for example, at night, at moonlight. Let's do at moonlight. And the weather is dark and cloudy with a white, bright moon, something like that. And Egypt exterior. Save changes. And now when you generate the media, look at this. It's going to generate the character. Look at this. This is our character. And it's the bright moon there. It's dark. It does exactly what you ask it to do. And if you want to go back, you simply go to Edit Media. And if you generated more images, you can select that. So let's say you generated multiple images, you can switch back and forth. So this is how you do that, Mike. You simply type this @ sign in front of the name. So you could also say Alex, the boy Alex. Let's do this again. So we can say, if you're not satisfied with this image, you can say Alex, the boy, is climbing a pyramid with his friend. And then we do Mia. So we want to have them both climbing. And then you click on regenerate media. And now they're both climbing the pyramid. Look at this. Now we have actually 3. So this one went wrong. And here's what we can show you. So sometimes it goes wrong. What you can do here is you can remove. So you go to the generated fill, and you can say, okay, now this is not good. I just want to remove this person here because this one is not correct here. And this one also is not correct. And then you can remove that. You are able to add multiple characters inside of one story, if I'm correct. So you simply process that, and then these will be removed and your scene is ready. And you can still switch. That's what I said here. You still keep all the images. Look, they're gone. You can also switch to the previous one, or you can say, I want to have this one, whatever you prefer. And this is what I just showed you when I didn't share my screen. You also get access to stock media. So you can also set pyramids and then search. And look at this, you get access to this. So let's say you're not creating a cartoon stylish movie. You can simply select one of these. You say add to assets. And now you have this one in your story. Look at this. Now it's replaced with a real photo here. So let's say you were creating a realistic video. Now you have this to your video as well. And you can click on generate video and it will generate a video from that photo. How cool is that? So that's included. And also what we have in this story is we have a narrator here. So this is the narrator, but let's see if it also created a voice. Yes, here we got Alex, you see? So we have a narrator, but we also have Alex. So look me at something unusual among these relics. So here at the right side, you can see the different voices. And now you have more options to choose from. So you could say for Alex, I want to choose a voice. So you select the pencil with Alex and you can select a specific voice for Alex. So you can say here, okay, I want to have male voices. And let's say we do Brian here for Alex. And for Mia, we're going to choose a female voice. So we're going to select Mia. We're going to do here female. And we choose here Ava as the voice for Mia. And then we also have the narrator. Now for the narrator, we want to choose one of the favorite voices that I favorited. We want to have Davis again. We select this voice. And now we click on generate voices and the voices are being generated. So this is going to take a little while. You can see it's almost done here. And once it's ready, let me show you here. This is Alex.
Look, Mia, something unusual among these relics.
And the narrator.
An ancient map sparks their curiosity.
And we have the narrator.
The race begins through endless dunes.
We must be quick.
You see, all the voices have been rendered here. It's this.
These symbols hold the key.
I think we've found a secret lever.
You see, and then you have all these different scenes. So yeah, I think this gives a really good overview of what the product is capable of. And again, guys, this is a huge what you're all going to get for this price. Let me go over it quickly once more. If you jumped in later, let me switch here the screen to show you what you'll be getting. So you're going to get access to the elite version of RocketVideos here, where you get unlimited video projects, directly posting to Instagram, directly posting to Facebook. You can schedule everything, your longer scripts, longer characters, unlimited storyboards, etc. Up to 10-minute videos. You get RocketVideos Pro, which gives you all these cool thumbnails and posters that it's going to create for you for each story that you create. It's going to allow you to connect your OpenAI key so that you have OpenAI voices with emotions here, 11 Labs integration voices that you're going to get. You're going to get unlimited stock videos like I just showed you. Object removal tool is included. Object replacement tool, what I just showed you, where I replaced the lion for a bear. That's included. Pro captions, pro music and sounds, transition styles, extra team seats. You're going to get Rocket Studio, which is a different module, which I can show you as well. But this is a different module, which basically allows you to do these things separate in the studio, where you can upload your image and then create a video from it, or create a video from a prompt. Consistent face generators. You upload your own pictures. It's going to regenerate your pictures in another scene, like you describe here. You get an image upscaler where you can upscale existing bad quality images, background remover, a text-based image editor as well, where you simply type something and it will do it for you. You're going to get Rocket Voices, where you'll be able to clone your voice and create voices with that voice, also with other voices included inside of Rocket Voices as well. Very good quality output. And again, white label rights, guys. You're going to get 25 white label licenses today if you get the bundle deal, which means you can brand this on your own domain with your own logo as your own product, and you can sell this for any price to your clients. And we also have additionally, when you go to the checkout, let me do that here. So you get all of these, like I said, the commercial, elite, pro, studio, voices, and white label, not for $297. So when you click on the checkout here, make sure we have the special coupon available. And by the way, let me put it into the chat one more time here. The coupon that you need and the link as well. Make sure you use this. I'm going to paste this right now. And there it is, the link again, if you want to use it. There's also sticky at the top. It's rocketvideos.pro/bundle. But make sure, use that coupon, guys. Use Rocket VIP because you're important to us. You are on this webinar. Click on apply and you will see the price moving from $297 to $247 when you apply this. Going to take a couple of seconds here. Look at this. Now jump to 247, where you're going to get the bundle deal. You're going to get 30,000 credits. And again, if you want to have more credits and more reseller licenses, simply select here this button, only $127, where you're going to get 50 extra reseller licenses under your own name, your own domain, your own logo, for just less than $3 each. 50, so that means 75 reseller licenses, 30,000 extra credits that you're going to get, 15-minute video extension, unlimited stock media, and commercial license. And again, also, if you'd like to get Rocket Player, which basically allows you to take any YouTube video and add that to Rocket Player, and it will remove the branding of YouTube. So this saves you a ton of money from Vimeo. Basically, it works the same. It can autoplay the video in the background. You can change the colors of the player. And this is a monthly payment of just $9 here, where you're going to get 50 reseller licenses as well. So you only have to sell this to one person for $9 a month, and you have your investment back. This is a no-brainer in my opinion. Super cool player. So yeah, again, guys, the link is in the description. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out in the chat here. I'm going to send it once more, where you get access to this exclusive deal. Nobody else has got this price except for those that were on the first webinar, and you guys are on the second webinar, and I appreciate that very much. So you get access to this as well. And let me see if there are some questions here. Let me see. Please explain the white label license in more detail. I think I already did that, right? It was 52. So I explained this right now. Is there a preview of the entire video? Not sure what you mean, Charlie. I've showed a couple of demos, and it depends on you. I mean, if you are creative and you put your time in it, you can create beautiful videos. I can actually show you a video. Let me share another tab here. Let me see if I can show this. Let me open a video here, my Drive folder, where I have some videos like the Batman. I really like the Batman one. Let me open this one, and then let me show you a couple of videos that have also been created. And then I need to share my screen, my other tab. Let me see here. I think it's this one. Yeah. So here's another video that's been created with RocketVideos.
The city's pulse, it never quiets. Chaos, my constant shadow. This darkness is a mirror of my soul. Hope flickers but rarely ignites. The weight, ever heavy on my shoulders. Isolation, my unwanted ally. They trust me, a beacon in their storm. Every call is a reminder of the burden I bear. Protector, vigilante, where do I draw the line? Am I enough for this city? Despite the cost, I fight on, Gotham's silent guardian.
So you get the idea, right? That's Batman. But we also have somebody else created a dog food commercial like this one.
Your pup deserves the best, and that starts with what's in their bowl. Introducing Healthy Pup, packed with real, wholesome ingredients for a healthier, happier dog. No fillers. No artificial flavors. Just pure, nutritious goodness. Why settle for ordinary when your pup can have extraordinary? More energy, shinier coats, and tail-wagging happiness. Healthy Pup makes the difference. Healthy Pup, because they're more than pets, they're family. Find Healthy Pup in stores now, or order online.
So that's another one. What do you have more? Let's say an ice cream commercial here, or how to create ice cream like a tutorial.
Is there anything more tempting than a swirl of soft, creamy perfection? All you need is fresh milk, cream, sugar, and a bottle of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is perfectly combined. This step is all about the magic of flavors coming together. Pour it in and let the ice cream maker work its chill magic. And here comes the moment of joy, smooth and soft, ready to enjoy. Unleash your creativity with fun toppings to customize your treat. A moment of pure delight. Homemade soft ice cream like no other.
So this actually, I created this one, the ice cream, and this is all done with RocketVideos, what you saw here. So those are a few examples here. Let me show you one more. So you see that is possible with RocketVideos. So I hope that you got an idea of what the software is capable of. And again, make sure if you're on the checkout, make sure to, let me see where it is here. Use that coupon RocketVIP in order to get your $50 coupons. Let me see if there are any questions. I think Ankit also answered a lot. Okay, how much are credits after I run out? I can show you that. So let me switch my screen actually to RocketVideos. So in the backend, we have the option. Let me show you here. Let's go back to the screen. To upgrade credits. So if you need more credits, we have an option here at the top where you can purchase more credits here. So you could do, it starts with $10 for 2,000 credits. You can purchase inside of the app. There are, for $20, you get 5,000 credits. For $50, you get 15,000 credits. Well, the more you buy, the cheaper it becomes. We also have a subscription plan. We're going to add that in here as well, which makes it cheaper, which allows you to get it for $47 per month, I think you're going to get 25,000 credits per month for $47. If you apply to our subscription plan, we're going to add that in the app as well. We also have, by the way, if you have questions when you're working with the product, we have a chat here with a lot of questions. So I'm logged out now. I need to log in. 1 second. We actually have received a lot of questions that we already answered. So we built a whole database inside of the bot here. Look at this. There's a lot of questions and answers here. And you can also start a new conversation. So let's say you want to say, okay, can I subscribe to get more credits? You simply type it and it's going to give you an answer here that you can subscribe to get more credits if I'm correctly. And otherwise, it will be added to the database here. See, so you get 20,000 monthly credits here. And it's going to explain you. So if you have questions, you can go here. We have a tutorial section here where we have a whole walkthrough how you can work with RocketVideos. So here's a full walkthrough, but also specific videos like adding text and captions to your videos, like transitions to your videos, how to create consistent characters that we discussed today, how you can import your own media or replace existing media, create videos from images, etc. So you can see there are all licenses here, how to add music to your videos, how to add sound effects, etc., etc. So that's all inside of the application. Will this do lip sync, William? It's not doing lip sync. That's not what we've built this app for. It's more like so that it works for every kind of niche where you can create videos for. So it's doing more like narrator kind of videos that you create with RocketVideos. Let me see. Yeah, so Art says, can a product example, for example, a perfume bottle be uploaded and added to the video and made as a sales video? Yes, you can do that. Like I showed you, you can simply upload your own media, replace media. So you're inside of a project. You simply open the timeline. So let's say, let me see if there is actually, let's open this. No. Well, it doesn't matter. I can just open any, basically. Open this one, the storyboard, where you have your storyboard. When you work on your story, where you work on your video, you simply click on Added Media here, and then you can upload here. You click on Upload, and there you can upload that perfume bottle, for example, the real bottle that you want to create a commercial for. You upload that here, and that will be added to your story. It's basically similar to what I just did with the pyramid, etc. Let me see here. Boom, boom, boom. How characters consist? Yeah, I already answered that as well. See, Ankit also answered a lot of questions. Mia asked, when we export the video, is there an option to have the audio and video file separate? Right now, that is not possible. When are credits charged? Each time a video is rendered? No. Rendering a video does not cost any credit. What does cost a credit is when you generate an image, that's costing a credit or 5 credits, or when you generate a video from an image. So you also have your media library here. At the left side, look at all this media. So this is the media that we created. You see the story that we just created is all inside of this media here. So what we've done today, for example, let me see if I can find that. Yeah. So for example, let me see where it is. Yeah. So for example, we had this image, and to generate this image will cost you 5 credits. So you can create full videos with the transitions, etc., where it zooms in automatically. That will cost you 5 credits in image generation. If you like to go further and you want to create a video from this image, which I've done here, this will cost you 100 credits to create a video from an image, because this requires a lot of rendering power in our backend. But you can see these become really beautiful from these images. So that's 100 credits. And we do an in-painting, like I showed here, like create a duck here, or I said here, I painted here an area on the beach here, and I say, hey, add a duck. This will cost you 10 credits if you do if you do something like that. But you can see you have your whole database here of everything that you created is stored inside of your database. And you know, the cool thing, when you are inside a project, so let's say we go back to the top 5 locations here. We go to the storyboard. Oh no, let me go actually to, not the storyboard. Let me show you the video. When we go to the timeline, when we go to the timeline editor, what you can do here is you can select a video, and look, we have the whole database here as well. So let's say you want to add characters from your other videos. You have that here. So you can add this. Look at this. Boom. Now he is in your video. You have access to your whole library of everything that you created is in here. And the cool thing is, in the library, you can also search. So for example, here, if you need something, I mean, you have a huge library. You can see I have a huge library of videos and images that I've created. But you can search here. So if you search for a car, for example, it will show you all the images. It should show the image with a car. Let me actually search for something else. It should show me, because dragon, let's search for a dragon here. You see, now it shows you all the pictures of a dragon, or things that this is a dragon. But you can see here, this is the dragon. You see, so you can always search for your images as well, because it has a search, a smart search functionality inside of your library as well. So that's inside of your media. Let me see if there are more questions here. Will there be a replay coming? I think we will have a replay. Yes, William, if you like to. Let me see. What do we have more? What's the format? Is the video exported? It is an MP4 video, Charlie. We export the videos as MP4. Yeah, you can, of course, if you want to export the video, you can export that in DaVinci. And the cool thing is, you can export your video, but you can also export these media. So we're now in my media library, but let's say you created this video of this beach here. You can simply click on download and use this video in DaVinci as well. In any editor, you can use the videos that you've created. Any media, you can simply view it and download it. There's even a download button directly here. You see that? It's a download button where you can download your media directly if you like to. I think we covered most of the questions here. Again, if you're interested, I think the link is already in the description, but let me drop it one more time. If you'd like to get access to all of it, you can get access to the bundle that I showed you. And on the checkout, you have a few options. Let me go over that one more time, and then we're going to close this webinar. Let me actually share that screen. Switch screen here. Boom, boom, boom. Bundle. Yeah. So this is it. By the way, this is Rocket Player. You see it in action here. Do you see this? What you're seeing right here, this is actually a YouTube video. But do you see that this is a YouTube video? You don't see that. But when you click on this, look at this. Hey, everybody. Play the first webinar that we did. And you don't see any YouTube branding. Do you see this button is purple? You can do all of that inside of Rocket Player. And this is a YouTube video. Nobody sees that. Nobody clicks on the YouTube logo. Awesome to have you here. We can see that they're already, you see that? That is Rocket Player. Now, let me go to the checkout quickly. Again, you're going to get all the upgrades here. I've mentioned them. I assume that you heard that from me. Click on the Buy Now button. Don't use coupon Rocket40. Don't do that. Use coupon Rocket VIP here in the coupon part. Rocket VIP, click on apply, and then that $297 here will change to $247. And if you want to have extra licenses, so the bundle comes with 25 reseller white label licenses. If you like to have 50 extra here, 50 extra reseller licenses, just $127, guys. This is $2, I think $2.50, something like that, for a single license. You can sell this for 10 times more than you purchase a single license. and you can sell that total 75 times. When you get the mega bundle, you get 75 reseller licenses. You can brand it with your own logo on your own domain as your own product. Plus, you're going to get 30,000 extra credits, so you're going to get 60,000 credits. 15 minutes long videos can you create, unlimited stock media, unlimited commercial license. And if you like to sell the Rocket Player as well, you only need one client. Sell it. I mean, Vimeo. Do you know how much Vimeo costs? It costs a lot of money to host your videos on Vimeo. Now you can just host them on YouTube, add them to Rocket Player, and save money. It's $9.95 per month for the agency version, but it allows you to sell this to 50 people. So if you sell it, only one license, you got your investment back. This is a no-brainer. Simply click it on the checkout. And you get reseller license as well. One thing I have to say is that the reseller license of the white label license will become available 7 days after our launch. Our launch ends Friday at midnight. 7 days after, you will get access to your reseller license. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for your time, guys. I really appreciate it. Travis Gray says, love the product, great work. I hope we can work something out. Awesome to have you here, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate your time. So Art says, if I sell one license, will I have 49 licenses left to sell? No, Art, you will have 47. If you get the bundle deal here, plus this extra mega bundle, you'll have 74 licenses left if you sell only one license. In case of the Rocket Player, yes, that's correct. You get 49 licenses left if you sell one to a business. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Go get your access. You get the best price with Rocket VIP that nobody else has. And thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to our support at rocketvideos.pro. And for now, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks for being here, guys. Bye-bye.